New York City, the city that never sleeps, is a global hub of culture, art, food, and so much more. It's a city of 5 vibrant boroughs, each with its own unique charm. From the skyscraping glamour of Manhattan to the hipster vibes of Brooklyn, from the cultural melting pot of the Bronx to the green serenity of Staten Island. But today we focus on Queens, a borough boasting over 130 languages and a rich, diverse culture. Today, we will take you on a journey through the vibrant and diverse borough of Queens, showcasing the top 10 things to do. Welcome to Queens, a borough that is the epitome of cultural diversity and historical richness. This gem of New York City is home to a myriad of attractions that offer a taste of the world, all within its borders. First on our list is the Flushing Meadows Corona Park, the largest park in Queens. This sprawling green space is a haven of tranquility amidst the bustling city. With its iconic Unisphere and a zoo, the park offers plenty for everyone to enjoy. Next, we have the Queens Museum, nestled within the park itself. Known for its panorama of the city of New York, the museum houses a detailed scale model of the entire city, a sight that's sure to leave you in awe. As we venture beyond the park, we find ourselves in the historic neighborhood of Jackson Heights. Here, the city's diversity is on full display. A perfect example is the vibrant Little India, where the colorful sari shops and tantalizing smells wafting from the variety of eateries make it a feast for the senses. Speaking of feasts, our fourth stop is the Queens Night Market. This open-air food market is a culinary delight, offering a smorgasbord of food from all corners of the globe. From mouth-watering momos to delectable churros, there's something to satisfy every palate. Now, let's step back in time and visit the Louis Armstrong House Museum. This restored home of the legendary jazz musician offers an intimate glimpse into his life and music. As you walk through the rooms, you can almost hear the sweet strains of his trumpet. We continue our journey of discovery at the Noguchi Museum. This hidden gem showcases the work of artist Isamu Noguchi, with a serene sculpture garden that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle-bustle. Next, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature at the Queens Botanical Garden. This urban oasis is a riot of colors in spring, a cool haven in summer, a palette of warm hues in fall, and a peaceful retreat in winter. Our eighth stop is the New York Hall of Science. This interactive science and technology center is a great place for both kids and adults, with over 450 exhibits that make learning fun and exciting. We then move on to the Museum of the Moving Image, the only museum in the US dedicated to the art, history, technique, and technology of the moving image in all its forms. Here you can explore the magic of movies and television, and even try your hand at creating your own animations. Finally, let's head to the Rockaway Beach, the city's only legal surfing beach. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just want to bask in the sun, this beach offers a perfect seaside escape from the city. Each of these experiences in Queens offers a unique insight into the rich cultural tapestry that makes up this incredible borough.